Okay. Now, if we recall the prophecy about the kingdoms or the rise and fall of the nations and about the kingdoms who rule the earth. Jesus said, seek ye first the kingdom of God, because we have the right to put first God, because in the beginning God created heaven and earth. And in John said, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. So this must be our first priority, to seek God first. But nowadays, people seeking unsa ang unang pangita kasagaran sa mga tao karon. Oh, the kingdom of Babylon. Actually, kanang treasure hunting. So, we are encouraged sa gitawag ng treasure hunting. But ang treasure hunting na suppose na atong pangitaon is the kingdom of God. But usually people, ang ilang treasure, ang ginahunting nila ang mga bulawan. And sa tulad that there are some adopted minister na saka sa lisuong sa pamintaran para magkutko bulawan. Okay? So actually, gold, there are 4 metals na being was popular na ang tulo ini ginahimong award during sa tournament sa Olympics. Di ba? So, may gitawag ng mga gold, silver, and bronze medalist. Pero walang iron. Na may iron medalist na makareceive og iron sa 4 metals. Actually, nag-represent ang gold sa Babylon sa dako na vision. Sa vision ni King Nebuchadnezzar na naipahayag sa Ginoo dito kang Daniel. And then, kung atong kitaon kining mga different metals nga nag-represent sa different kingdoms, like silver is represented to Medo-Persia, and kining bronze represented to Greece, and iron represented to Rome, and then iron mixed with clay represented to 10 divided kingdoms of Europe, and that was the great image, no, na pakita o nagpahayag sa future events o tinatawag na the prophecy about the kingdoms in this world. But so ang